welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a what I eat in a day video. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Hi guys, so that basically completes this what I eat in a day. As you saw, I had oatmeal for breakfast with the raisins and the dark chocolate spread. I had the corned beef mozzarella sandwich for lunch with mayo and honey mustard and the spinach. And then for dinner, we actually ended up just going out, so we got some sushi, which was delicious. I had some donburi and a California roll, and yeah, we just finished off our day like that. I hope you guys like this what I eat in the day. If you guys want to see more of these, definitely let me know, because I can definitely film some more in the future. And leave some comments below for what you guys want to see next time. Make sure to like up this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Hit the notification bell, and until next time, bye!